We all know about a 2-minute Maggi noodles, but how about making a 2-minute chocolate cake? Yes, you heard it right. You can make a chocolate cake in just 2 minutes, and that too in just a mug. For the mug cake, you need 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of maida, sugar, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of chocolate chips or chocolate flakes or whatever chocolate you have at home, and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. You can even add a small teaspoon of vanilla, but if you don't have vanilla, do not worry. And obviously, you need a mug. Let's add everything in the mug. I'm going to start with 3 tablespoons of maida, 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to be taking quarter teaspoon of baking powder. And don't worry, it's all going to come right inside this mug. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 3 tablespoons of chocolate chips that I have. If you don't have chocolate chips at home, just break a few pieces of chocolate and you're ready to go. Now I'm going to mix this really well. Once this is all mixed, you add your liquid. You add your melted butter and then you add your 3 tablespoons of milk. Now make sure you mix this really well. This already looks damn good. Now we're going to put this in the microwave for about a minute and 20 seconds. But it depends on different microwaves and different powers that they have. If your micro is a little bigger, maybe you can just stop at 1 minute and keep checking. So let me set it to 1 minute and 20 seconds. And that's it. After that, you can just eat the cake. This is how your cake looks like. Mine has come out at the perfect rim, but maybe you can use a bigger cup, but then I'm really happy with this. Let it cool down a bit. Do not forget, this is going to be really hot. You can add a dollop of vanilla ice cream to this, cool it down a bit, and just enjoy.